Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Got people all over the world. What it do, what it do. OGH is in the house. Good morning, bro. Morning, Buzz Blab. Actually, I think it's afternoon for you guys. Good afternoon, guys. Let's get Wags. What up, Louis G? Louis G is still morning for him. LeGrand in the building. What up, LeGrand? What up, George? VDM is in the house. The man. Got a Trade is here today, as always. What up, Got a Trade? What up, Magnus? What up, Crow's Crew? Mr. Mac in the building. Mike goes in the house. Xander is in the building. Stephen B is in the house. Oh, man. Funny guys. Funny. See how I'm so systematic. I'm so routine based. Louis G is in the building. Z Gamer is in the house today. Oh, man. What up, everyone? Shout out to all the mods in the building here early this morning. What up, Tamra? Good morning. What up, Nicholas? Mr. Lopez in the house. What up, James Clack? Clack. James Clackin'. I like that song right there. Yeah, this one's good. What's up, Arnie? All right, let me let's get the day started here, chat. Let me just do this whole Zoom thing. Zoom. How you guys doing today? Everybody good? I was reading a little bit of the London session channel. Looks like you guys ate off of a celery play, eh? Gotta love a celery play. Rich and Royal is in the building. What up, Rich and Royal? Billy O'Neill, my man. What was I doing? Zoom. All right, cool. Zoom links out. And I think we're good to go. What's up, Richard Lewis? All right, perfect. All right, y'all ready to go? Excuse me, man. My voice a little scratchy. I was in, oh my God, the worship this morning. I wish you were here, chat. I really do. What a great worship session this morning. Guy has some good music on, feeling good. So I'm ready for a big day here. Let's pray and we're going to get the day started, all right? Father in heaven, man, we just thank you that you're just so good, Lord, that you created us, that you made us, and you called us for greatness, Father. I pray a blessing of greatness over those here today. I pray wisdom would enter their minds, Lord. I pray that your word would consume them, Lord, and give them direction in life, Father. We know that the path is blessed. We thank you for it, Lord. We're just here to worship you, Lord. We're here to glorify you. So we thank you for this opportunity, and we give you the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. What a morning. What a morning. Okay. Oh, my bad. Wrong Zoom link here. Hold on one second. What a morning it's been so far. And now here with the TTE crew. What a life. All right, cool. Let me share my screen. Good to go. Let me send the actual Zoom link out. My bad, Zoomers. All right, let me lower the music a bit, and we're going to get rocking and rolling here today. So welcome, everyone. Welcome. Today is Thursday. It's a new day, new opportunity for us to be disciplined, for us to be patient, and do what we got to do here in these markets. Class is in session. You know, it's another day to learn. Every single day is going to be a learning day, learning opportunity, and today is no different. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at what we got going on in the news, and then we're going to also take a look at the charts, do a breakdown, and kind of see where we're at here today. I think we finally got a bearish closure right on the daily. Hey, nice, Louis G. That's a W. That's a big W. All right. Let's take a look at what we got going on here today, chat. Today is the 11th day of April. It is Thursday. As you guys settle on in here, give the stream a like for me today. And we're going to see we got 8:30 news coming in. So we got PPI here. We also got unemployment claims as well coming in at the same time. So we're going to be aware of that. And then pretty much excuse me, just a bunch of yellow folders here, right, throughout the tail end of our session today. So that's really all we have to be aware of. You know, this is happening, but this is not till later. All my people in London will be sleeping by then. It'll be afternoon here, so that's not going to be, or not sleeping, but eating dinner and stuff. So that's not going to be in our way today. But we do have this PPI here coming out, and then we do have unemployment claims, which is going to be the big ones here for us today. So let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's see what we got going on here and do a top-down analysis. So you guys ready for a breakdown? Do a quick breakdown, maybe a little in depth, maybe not, but let's go ahead and talk about this. So the weekly candle, you know, last week did close with, let me grab my tools here. Yeah, so last weekly candle here, if we're looking at the weekly, we know, I'm just going to speed through this because we've already talked about it, but it is good to talk about this stuff on a daily basis to make sure everyone is continuing to remain like in sync with the markets, right? You obviously been moving up here on gold right off the weekly chart. You found yourself in some consolidation right here where price kind of, you know, made an all-time high here after breaking these highs and then immediately rejected, began to range a bit. As you guys can see, this right here is a range that the weekly candles just couldn't get out of. Finally though, this weekly candle closed above the range. If you look to the left, there was that wick to fill. It's not a surprise at all that this candle went up and filled this wick, closed above, created support, and we just been flying ever since. Yeah, gold blast off. So gold, like I said yesterday, is living its best life here, just on the move, right? On the move. Now we may have a sign that the move is a bit done for now, right? Because this candle here closed with pretty much no top wick. You know, pretty much no top wick on that candle. This weekly candle, we have 2 days left, but for the first 3 days, we've really been struggling to make a decision here, right? We even flipped bearish yesterday. I believe we flipped bearish today as well on this weekly. But we know that candles that close with no top wick have a less likely chance to move up because that wick, what does that wick represent, right? It represents a range, right? So if there's a wick here, then there's a range for price to fill, but no wick, no range. This is now a 50-50 chance that this candle is going to move up or not, right? So could this be our first sign that we get some sort of a pullback here on the weekly time frame? Now the daily has actually given us a candle to look at, right? So the daily did close yesterday. We closed bearish here. We're looking at this candle right here. Now we did close bearish before, but what's one thing you notice about this candle that you don't see on this candle? This guy right here broke the previous candle lows, where this one never even got close to him, right? So we finally broke the lows there on the previous daily candle. That could be something we can take into consideration here today, right? Maybe this is where we begin to pull back a bit. And how great would it be for a pullback here on gold, as we've been playing around in these all-time highs for quite some time over the past couple weeks. It would be pretty cool to see some movement down and now have all this range, right? Free range to kind of trade back up. So, you know, that's just what I want, but the market doesn't care what I want, right? So we're going to see what the market wants to do. I am pretty bearish today based off of the daily. So daily bias today is bearish. 4 hour also did close bearish. So 4 hour bias is bearish. Now we also closed right at support, right? So that's something that can maybe begin to cause this 4 hour to reject and begin to move back up. And it looks like that's what's happening, right? So as you see, like, there is a ton of rejections here, right? Ton of rejections in this range. You really want to see a 4 hour candle close below there in order to say, hey, we're moving down towards like 2310 here. So I don't see that happening just yet. There's absolutely no bearish pressure at all in this candle. We didn't even make a bottom wick here, right? So we may be rejecting just like we did before, and looking to move back up. So let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour time frame is bullish. Looks like you did create support. This candle ran up with no bottom wick. A little sketchy. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute, yeah, I would say right around these ranges right here is where you want to see what price is going to do. So will we fake out back into the range, or will we continue to move up now? In order to take buys from me, I need a range to buy, being that both of the daily, I would say right here. Yeah, right around here is where we can expect a potential fake out. So kind of like what happened right here to the left of it, right? We came up, closed above, faked out, drove back into the range. We came up here, pushed up, you know, both candles closed below, drove back down. Yeah, same thing here. Closed below, drove down. So potentially, excuse me, if you can get a closure back below there, then there's a possibility for us to anticipate this 4-hour candle beginning to move down here from 7 to 9, right? And be able to kind of push its way back down after this pretty big move up here. So that's kind of like what I've got going on here today. Yeah, we are at this support level, so it is no surprise that we're moving up. But this closure here is big. So you got a 1 hour, 30-minute closure, 30-minute and 13 minutes, 1 hour close in 43 minutes. So we'll see where we're at when this candle closes. And if it does close bearish in the range, then you may have some opportunity for sells here. So that's it. That's what I got going on. Looking for potential fake outs for sells right here. And then below that is really clean. Like, look at this free range here for us to trade in today. So plenty of room to go. We just may need a pullback now, right? I would expect this candle to move bearish, man. I'm rooting for this guy, man. I'm rooting for this guy. So we'll see what happens. This is like reaction area right here. So we'll see how we react and see what goes down. Yeah. Yeah, you also have another support right here, right, which could be concerning as well. So like, we really want to see when this happens, how this happens. You got supports in this range, like I would say like right here, right? This can kind of be like a no trade range if price looked a little bit different right here. But yeah, we'll see what happens when and if this candle closes bearish, if there's an opportunity for us or for me. Yeah. Simple day. Simple day. Not going to take this buy. It's way too overextended. Plus, we're bearish on the higher time frames. Although it looks like price can move up, we are looking bullish. We are still bearish, right? So we got to go based off of that. And yeah. Yeah, I would say range 2 buys above here. So if you can get like a break and retest and then a closure back above, then I'll probably take buys. Yeah. So sells below here. So looking for fake outs at 23.37. If we do close below, potentially get nice clean sells below 23.33. And then look, there's even more clean. The cleanest sells of the day are going to be below 23.27. Right? That's where the cleanest sells of the day are going to be, because that's where you have a nice clean range moving down here to retrace that move. And you don't have anything until this wick, which is about 78 pips away, 77 pips away. So that's all, folks. That's all. What up, Dominic? What's good? What's good? Yeah, let's dress it up, make it look good. What's this range looking like here? 40 pips. Clone it. All right, that's it. First target down here. First target probably I would say up in these ranges for buys. And we're going to see what happens within all this middle ground here. What up, Arnie? What's good, Purpose? Purpose in the house. What happened to yesterday's stream? Is it not up? I don't know. Let's check the channel. Yesterday was what? The 10th? Is it not up? Oh wow. I don't know what happened. Let me check the studio. I'm telling you, man, chat, YouTube be getting angry at me. I'm like, damn. Why so mad? Yeah, they blocked my stream. Let's see why. YouTube be quaking. What's up, Jelly J? Buzzblab in the house. What up, Dropout Trader? Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Some of you guys just coming in here. Welcome, welcome in. Market doesn't care what I want. That's right. What up, Forex Guru? Scott, what's good, Scott? How you doing, brother? Yeah, nah, I don't know what happened, man. I'll figure out the stream stuff later. Yeah, it looks like they blocked the stream. $33,977 subs. Big W, man. Shout out to all you guys. Shout out to everyone who's been here from the first week or month and just seen this thing grow with me. I'll be honest, man. I did not expect things to grow the way they did, but the impact was there. The trade was there. The teachings were there. So we're just so pumped to have really just have come across you guys, man. You guys are some of the coolest people. I hang out with you guys more than anybody. Literally, we'd be spending like, what, 4 hours a day? 4 hours a day together. Holy. TTE's the fam. TTE's the fam. This is something that we're going to build. We're building it on the rock. It's going to build. It's going to last. It's going to be strong. It's going to be great, man. There's so many versions of TTE that are still yet to come. The vision is so clear. We have such a bright future, gang. Such a bright future, and it's just happy. I'm just happy to have y'all on board. You know what I mean? Just a group of like-minded individuals from all over the world, all kind of striving and, you know, pushing towards a common goal, common dream, common idea, and it just don't get much better than that. You know, that life is so cool when you do it with other people. Yeah, and I want to get to know you guys more, you know what I mean? Like right now, this is just YouTube. Like I can just see your, like Ty Hill, I want to know you, you know what I mean? Like somehow, some way, I want to get deeper into this and really be able to spend time together, look you guys in the eye, just tell you guys I'm proud of you and just win together, right? Just win, right? Just win in life, whether that be spiritually, financially, traveling together. There's just so many opportunities for us to do a great work together. So it's gonna be dope. So 33,977. Dang. Wow. Andrew in the building. What up, Andrew? What's up, Supra? Sup. TTE Island. Yeah, that's why I love the elites and I love doing the one-on-ones so much, because I actually get to meet you guys. I get to meet you guys, get to spend time with you guys, fellowship, talk. Good talks, man. Good talks. Yeah, I dig that. AB Mike, just wait for the market to give it to you, man. Wait for your kill. Your hunt today. Your hunt may not be my hunt may not be your hunt, and that's all good, right? There's so many ways to trade the markets. So many ways. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. What up, Big Wick Energy? Where is energy? Where's energy at this morning? Big energy. What up, Alfonso? What's good? Yeah, some names come and go, some names stay, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Trading's not for everyone, you know, and that's okay. That's okay too. You know why? Because at TTE also, we're gonna have so many different positions for people to play. It's gonna be awesome. Facts. Big shout out to everyone that lasted through, yeah, MFF, TFT. Big shout out to everyone who even lasted through like Trader's Domain. I mean, what a crazy, crazy year, man. I'll be honest. Things were not that way. Like, I don't know. I feel like ever since I started live streaming, the whole industry got shook up. And yeah, so it's been fun to do it together, and you know, it's good to have a stream to be able to be a part of and come hang out on. Otherwise, you never know, man. Like, you're out there all alone. You know, even before like before I started live streaming, I was either on a stream or I had two of my friends that I would trade with and stuff like that. Like, you really want to do this with like some people. That's why trading floors are so cool, man. Like, imagine working out in like Manhattan or Chicago and like working on a trading floor, and that's kind of like what we're looking to put together down the road. Where the gold going today? Who knows where gold is going today? As of right now, gold is going up, but then it can come down, and then it can move sideways. So we don't know. We gotta wait. We gotta wait for our confirmation. Right now, I'm looking for a confirmation candle here on the 30-minute time frame. Potentially close back below the range, or I may just wait for the 1 hour close to have a stronger resistance, and then look to take sells down here. All right, anticipating the 4 hour to move back down, anticipating the daily candle to flip bearish. Other than that, range 2 buys. Other than that, if this is like a cheap, crappy closure that doesn't look that great at all or something, right, like that, then I'll just wait, right? I won't take a sell here. I'll let this candle close, see if we can get some sort of a bullish comeback. You know what I mean? And then take a buy. You know what I mean? Hey, you rock, Sebastian. Hey, shout out to you guys who took this London 1 hour celery play. Big W. Big W. 4 a.m. Congratulations. What's up, Susanna? This year has been a roller coaster, Ryan. Yeah, whether you were trading your own capital, whether you were working with funding companies, man, what a year. What a year. Damn. Gold was down, but now it's up. Yo. Hey, you guys gotta check out this song right here. House Fires. I'll give thanks. Holy. Check it out later. Feel it. Feel the song. What's up? Arona? Is it Arona? Sheesh, Yanosh. Let's go. The Don Dada's in the building. What's good, the Don? How you doing? The original Don Dada.
I'm the original Don Dada. How you doing?
PPI feed me today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's take a look at NAS here real quick too. Do a quick breakdown on the NASDAQ. Weekly's pretty bearish. We did tap into that support already, so we're gonna see how this unfolds here. We got 2 days left, so weekly is bearish. Daily's pretty bearish too, but notice how we did again tap into that support. So do we want to come down there again, right? This is something I've been sample sizing lately on the higher time frames. Is being that this wick came down, tapped into support, do we want to come down again, right, on this candle? Or is this typically where, just like you'll see candles turn around, You know what I mean? Like turn back around. So something I've just been keeping an eye on and watching. It seems to be the case a lot of times. That's what's it's caught my eye. So I'm very curious on this daily to see if we close bullish or bearish or fill the wick or not. But I am pretty bearish based off of the looks of this right here. So 4 hour did close with no bottom wick. So that's a bit of a, no there. This could be a potential fake out. And this may be where the daily begins to head back up, right? Kind of see if our theory will work out there. So 4 hour closing with no bottom wick, that's a bit sketchy there. 1 hour candles are pulling back though. So you do have a strong bearish 1 hour candle here. There's decently clean range coming down, right? There are some rejections here, but this candle's blowing right through everything. So I think this is going to be a big closure here at the end of this 1 hour. Looks like you got 30 to close below, but I'm not taking any sells in this range here. See, this whole range is chalked, man. So yeah, we'll see what happens there, but I think the 4 hour is going to be your best bet here if you get a closure on the 4 hour today, and that should point us in the right direction. But this area, a lot of support, man. A lot of support. I was thinking about taking a sell yesterday, but this area was just nasty. Yeah, I mean, you got a 30 close below. I mean, if you want to take a sell, it's like 10 pips, but that's not going to be for me. Yeah, I think wait for that candle to close. If you pull back and close below, then I think there's a sell that'll make it more of like if let's say you caught an entry from here, like a 25 pip range. But again, sells in this range aren't the hottest. Just look at all the rejections. Barcode strategy. Yo, this would have worked out amazing too. You would have been winning. Let's say you take a sell here, winner. Take a buy here, that would be a loser, but then that one closes bearish, take a buy, that would have been a winner. The sell would have been a winner as well. Then you would have took a buy, that would have been a winner. Then a sell, that would have been a winner. Then a buy, that would have been a winner. And then you would have took a sell here, so that would have been a loser. And then you probably would have took another loss here, but then a win here, a win here, win there. Damn, yo, barcode strategy, chat. Holy. What's the probability on that? Oh my God. Could have went like 13 and like 4. Early. Yeah. Sheesh. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't like this range here, but anything below it is pretty decent for a wick fill, and yeah. Stay out the chop. Barcode was the best thing. Word. I heard you lost 500K last week. Is it true? I may have lost 500K last week. I may have made 500K last week. You would never know. You would never know, brother. End of the day, 100 trades. Word. Yeah, man, that would have been a good win rate right there. Not gonna lie. That would have been solid. 13 and 3. All right, so this closure is not good enough for me here. So I'm not going to take this sell. I'm going to wait for the 1 hour close. It's probably going to be our best bet anyway. Wait for higher volume to come in, see if that could be the resistance. And if it is, then I would expect something like this, right? Closure below, price move down. This also happened at 8 a.m. here, so maybe we get it again. Arnie. What am I looking for on gold today? I am looking for this right here. If I can get that to happen right here, That's what I want to see. That's my ideal setup here today. Candle to close below the range. And then the next candle drive. Just like this. That's my ideal setup from 7 to about 9 a.m. And then 9 a.m. comes, I'm going to take a look at where that 4-hour closes, and then there potentially may be another ideal setup at that point. Yeah. What you looking for today on gold? Pips perspective. I want your perspective on the pips today. I haven't asked in a while, but how you doing? I'm doing great, Xander. Doing fantastic, man. Honestly, a little overwhelmed from worship today, but I'm doing incredible. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think too, chat, this has probably been like, my trading so far this year has been unlike any other year. Like, I feel like I've learned so much just this year alone, right? And a lot of that has to do, remember, you're gonna learn way more off of the trades that don't work out than do. And this year has been just an incredible, like, learning and adapting. I'm in this like cool, like, learning, like, adapting phase and season right now. It's pretty awesome. I'm really looking forward to how, like, the year ends, because really just getting my head wrapped around some, like, these new kind of ideas and different way that the markets have been playing out. So it's honestly been so much fun. So much fun this year. Ali Reza. Oh, thank you, bro. Thanks for your prayers, guys. Appreciate that. Appreciate that more than anything. So much power in prayer. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord. We have a lot of fun there. London was lit. London session Discord was lit today. Guys caught the bladers. Yeah, nice job, guys. Yeah, that's celery play. Who else took the celery play? This one right here. Took the onion before it. Very good. Yeah, there was also like an onion play here too. Was it this one or this one? Top or bottom? Yanosh out here killing it. Big W, Yanosh. Proud of you, man. I took the celery. Nice job, Chola. Fire. Yeah, we got 20 minutes left on this 1 hour candle here. So we're going to see how we close up. And then if we do, you know, and we kind of pull back and leave a wick, we can keep, I'm going to keep stops above here, take a sell in the next candle, and look to target like this support down here. Yeah, we do have news coming out though, so we got to be wary. 8:30 news here today. 8:30. Let's see. Can we check charts for stream? Yes. Let's take a look. If you guys want us to break down any charts, you guys can come over to the Discord like I was just mentioning. It's completely free. We've got all these channels in here that you guys can come hang out and be a part of. My first book. Hey, W. Perez, you're not late. You're never late. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Let's go. Big W. Think and Grow Rich. Life-changing book, man. Where are we going again? Oh yeah, charts for stream. Yeah, you guys can come in the Discord here. There's all these different channels, and if you're trading London session or Asian session or New York session, wherever you're at, you can pop in here and say what's up to non-playbook trades. I'm about to be like, what up? My non-playbook family. How's life? All right, charts for stream. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and see this one first. All right, so it looks like gold, 15-minute time frame here, and 4-hour closed strong bullish. Next candle on 15-minute time frame made a strong bullish engulfing candle, formed support, entered on the break of the high. Okay, this one right here you entered on. Got it. And then this is what happened. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think the problem happened after you got into the trade where this guy closed with no top wick. All right, so this guy didn't have much of a chance to succeed and move forward. And then once that resistance is formed, you can basically at that point, if you want to manage risk, right, you could take your stops and just put them below the candle there. That way you cut your risk in half. Other than that, I mean, good trade. You know, good trade, right? You got a support here. You close strong bullish on the 4-hour. 15-minute candle did engulf that other one. It did close very strong. Took a buy on the break of the high. Yup, beautiful, beautiful. This time it didn't work out. I think just because this candle here closed with no top wick, we kind of ran into this zone here and didn't really react the greatest. No top wick. Next one broke the high, so it gave you some hope. But once that high broke, now you can move this stop here, right? And say, hey, if we come back down, I want to be out here versus down here. So that's the only thing. That's the only thing I think I could say there. Other than that, W execution. Yeah, let's take a look at the other one. All right, fire away again here. So bullish or bearish bias on the daily. Candle didn't have a top wick. 4-hour candle also closed strong bullish. Price broke out. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, entry right here. W. Beautiful. There's your high. Did you take partials here, or would you do partials, break even? I think partials would have been pretty good. This might have been too close for partials. Not sure what the range was, but maybe break even and then partial somewhere along this area here. That's probably what I would have done. Clean range to the left. Big W. Congrats, man. Congrats. Every day you're getting better and better. And that's what this game is all about. You know, every day you're going to get better and better. You're going to learn. You're going to grow. Way to send the charts in, though. Ask for, you know, feedback and input. That's what's going to speed up your process. What up, energy? Energy in the house. Clay from Top One's getting fake profiles. Uh-oh. The TTE scammers are going over there now. How's your trading going? Imagine that, Wags. Hey Wags, how you doing, man? Just checking in on all my subscribers here today, and I was just wondering how your trading's going. And I mean, I can help you out for just 1 Bitcoin. I have a secret, super duper handy dandy copy trader. Just give me your life savings and your social security number and the last 3 digits on the back of your debit card, and we are good to go. Whole lot of scammers. Damn. What's up, Kelvin? What's good? Not gonna lie, I had two fake pages of me follow me last week. I'm like, man, these guys are a special type of stupid. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I didn't. God bless them, man. I hope they repent, turn around, and fix their ways. Hey, Felix, how's your trading going? That's a special kind of stupid, man. Is it too early to do a Joe Stu check? I'm feeling a Joe Stu check right now. Joe Stu? Joe Stu? Oh, man. Fake pages, man. Gotta be careful. Yeah. All right. Well, so far so good. We got 13 minutes left on this candle. I may pull the trigger pre-news here today. I don't know. Just if it's there, I'm probably gonna take it and just observe the conditions and size accordingly and keep stops up here and look to anticipate the 4-hour and the daily candle moving down here. Yep. Wow, that's crazy, Muhammad. Sheesh. Did we get Joe Stu here? I don't know. Did we? Joe Stu check. Don't tell me, man. Don't tell me. My man's on that every other day type of man's on that every other day vibe. Joey Cookie. Joe's like, I'll be there Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Don't question me. Cookie's in the chat. You need 12 for a challenge? 12 what? 12 pips, $12. $820 bleeder? Later. Joe's at crumble. Tuesday and Thursdays for crumble, word. And then Saturday and Sunday. No, Saturday and Sunday is for Cold Stone. Cold Stone. Hey, when Joe does come in here, just spam the chat with cookies. Yeah. Yo, I think that would be funny. If, big if, and when he gets here, just spam the chat with cookies. $12? Hey, let's go. Got a 4-pack. All right, let's see, chat. 11 minutes here. Again, there is news coming up. Pretty high level news too, not just some random news. We got pretty interesting news here. 1 hour candle still open. 30-minute was really a dud, like that's why I didn't want to take that, that sell there, because there's really no volume just yet, especially when you're awaiting news and stuff like that. 7:30 is typically not going to be the greatest time to take a trade, right? Because you got 8 a.m., which is NY open, right, coming up, and then you got big news coming out at 8:30, so typically the volume's going to sit tight and wait on that. He's the cookie monster. Yo, Felix. Wait, Felix, you're not too far from me anyway. You should hit up the same crumble that we hit up. Go look for Joe over there. Yeah, I bought Alea a bike yesterday, chat. She was so pumped. She was asking me for a bike. Not asking me for one, but she was just like, oh, every time she's seen a bike, she was like, I like the bike. I like the bike. Lele get a bike? Lele get a bike? So yesterday I went and got her a bike and cool little helmet. She was all pumped up, fired up. It's good, Pablo. She said, Lele, get a bike? Like, how do you say no to that? Gentlemen, fathers, talk to me. I need some mentorship. You can't. She go, Lele want to play hide and seek, man. Like, come on. She said, Lele hide? Lele go hide? I'm like, okay, yeah. I mean, I just can't, literally can't say no. You don't? Yeah, you guys remember getting a new bike, man? She was pumped. She was fired up. She never been on a bike before, so I left the training wheels on for now, but I'm taking them off probably within like the next day. I just had to get her to understand the concept of pedaling first. But I'm going to take the training wheels off and we're going to get her going. Especially the first one. I know, right? Yeah, I seen this cool little trick. I think my wife showed it to me on TikTok where like instead of having training wheels, you could just wrap like a towel around them, right? And then hold them by like their armpits, right? So there's a towel holding them up and then just let them go and just run with them. And so they can kind of find the idea of balance. And yeah, we don't need no training wheels. Same thing with swimmies. I don't think my dad ever put swimmies on me either, or my mom. They just kind of got me in the water. So that's what I'm doing with my kids too. I'm not gonna put swimmies on them or whatever they're called, those little floaty things like make your arms all like this. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, just gonna. Orale already pretty much knows how to swim. She's 2 months? No, she's 3 years old. Oh, your baby's 2 months. Don't take the training wheels off. They're coming off. Hey, we got her a helmet. Hey, we got her a helmet. Should be good. Yeah. River, that's funny. Maverick, I'm like, step aside, bro. Step aside. Lele, come on. Get up here. Get up here. Good morning, Joe Stu. Hey, chat. Welcome, Joe Stu. Give him a good welcome in here today. What up, Joey Stu? It's nice to have you here. Nice to have you here bright and early in the morning. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Chat, welcome Joe Stu in today. Yo. Joey Stu in the house. Cookies and milk, eh? Yo. Welcome, Joe Stu. Welcome. The Cookie Monster's here. Oh, man. That's great. Chat, you guys are all... That's so funny. Yo. How you doing, Joe Stu? Where is Joe Stu? I cannot find him in this sea of cookies. There he is. He's throwing cookies back, chat. Yo. He got cookies of his own. Joey Stu in the building. Damn. My man. My man, my man. Joey Stu.
How you doing?
The original
I'm
Don.
the original Don Dada.
His cravings are going through the roof. He's off the cookies, chat. Yo, Joe. That's so funny. That's so funny. Yeah, you see this? 1 hour big closure here. Big closure on this 1 hour before news. So you don't want to touch that just yet on themselves. Yo, chat. That's hilarious. Welcome, Joe Stu. Daughters are the best thing that's ever happened to me. There you go. Back to the daughter thing. Some cookies and milk. Alexandros getting hungry, man. Nah, Alexandros, you're on a strict diet right now, aren't you? Are you? I forget. Nah, he already put in a lot of work. Which strategy do I use? I don't know, chat. What strategy do I use? What do we even call this? Cookies and milk. Yo, what up, Swifty? What am I drinking? I'm drinking excess. This is what I drink every morning. Excess. Yeah. Yeah, it's a product that I sell online with one of my other companies. It's another brand that we have. Oh yeah, what strategy? That's right. There is no strategy.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
There's zero strategy. The TTE concept. Oh, we trade TTE. Yeah, we trade TTE because we're just always learning and in bettering our strategy, bettering our system, and trying to really get our skin in the game when it comes to these markets as traders. You know, that's every day. It's every day we're building our strategy. You know, every day. I don't think you know, the foundation of everything stays the same, but then there's nuances within it that you can just continue to get better and better and better by the more experience, the more intuition, the more reps. You know what I mean? The more reps you take, the stronger you get, and the more clear it becomes. Full margin strategy. That's right. Yeah, maybe I'll be honored to be like the have like a ICT, only it'll be like a TTE. Oh. You trade TTE? SRC? TTE? TTE sounds good. It fits in there. SRC? SMC? TTE? Ooh, man, I like the sound of it. Blessings, fellow brother in Christ. A elite prodigy. Blessings, my friend. You'll be on ASFX TV Tuesday, Wednesday? Yes. No, not Thursday. So next week, gang, we're going to do a little bit of a class field trip. We're going to go over to ASFX TV, and we are going to shake their network up. We may even, like, glitch it. I don't know. We might glitch the network, dude. But we're going to go over there Tuesday and Wednesday. We're going to go, I've been asked to give, like, a special guest appearance on Austin Silver's network. So we're gonna, no one trades gold over there or anything, so we're gonna go over there and have some fun and hang out with their traders for a little bit from like 8 to 10 and have some fun Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's get this shmoney, Joe. Okay. I have anxiety problem. How to correct it? What are you anxious about? Right? What are you anxious about? Bible says don't be anxious about anything. Don't worry about anything, but instead pray and give thanksgiving for what you do have and what your vision is. And then there's really no reason to be anxious. You know, you could leave all your anxieties at the foot of the cross, right? If you understood the word. And like I said yesterday, we were all born the same way, man. Butt naked screaming, right? Upside down and butt naked. Nothing to be afraid of. There's nothing to lose. You got nothing to lose. Yeah. There is no risk. The biggest risk, right, is not taking one at all. And just settling for what's been provided for you. Settling for what the Matrix has lined up for you. And everything they've lined up for you has been lined up for you to fail. It's been lined up to keep you dumb and stupid, broke and unhealthy. So you gotta look a little bit beyond that and dive deeper into yourself, man. And just do what you've been called to do. A lot of times when we're anxious, we're not doing what we're supposed to be doing with life. So yeah, find that calling and step into it, my friend. Take the risk, or risk it all. Yeah, man, that's it. I trade head, shoulders, shampoo, conditioner. Yeah, exactly. All right, man. I'm sketched out. We got news here in 30 minutes. Would love to take this sell here, right? But just probably going to wait on this big red folder here. PPI here at 8:30. I think last 2 times I took a trade ahead of news. One didn't work out, one did, but it wouldn't have. Like yesterday, if I didn't close that buy, would have been wiped. Would have lost another 500K. Would have slipped me. Just kidding. Just kidding. What's up, Perez? Lewis top G? Yo, Lewis is a top G. Not gonna lie. Lewis, I don't know if that's your last name begins with G or if you're just a straight up G, but either way, sounds good to me. How you doing, Perez? Where that wrench at, bro? Where the wrenchy wrench? Yeah. Yeah, I'll do a video about the Eagle 4000. Yep, gotcha. Yeah. Why don't I trade news? It's just a little bit too unpredictable, a little too wild. Buzz blab. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. That's true. You cannot lose a trade if you don't close it. Still there. Crumble Gang. What happened to yesterday's stream? Yeah, I don't know. They blocked the stream. I'll have to take a look at the studio after. See what's up. Amen, Richard. Spitting. What up, Grandy? What music am I listening to? I am listening to... What am I listening to? Here's the link. There's the link. It's a good soundtrack. When I trade on my own, sometimes I listen to this. Keeps me calm in a trade. Pretend I'm on stream. Yeah, I don't know what happened to yesterday's stream, chat. I don't know. Like I said, we get YouTube a little upset sometimes. So like they take the stream down and they write me and send me these messages here. There you go. Richard Lewis is giving you all the truth about anxiety. So whoever, oh wow, yeah, there he goes. Yeah, these are all scriptures to help you. Yep, there you go. So whoever asked about the anxiety, there you go. Rest on those, man. Stand on those. Yeah, so this candle here up and down and up and down. So I think price is kind of sitting on news here. Oh, nice methods. Shout out to your son. Yeah, the next generation is big, man. Big, big, big. Next generation, man. You guys got to pour into your kids. Speak life. Speak life into them. There's life and death in the tongue, man. Yeah, I don't even monetize it. That's the thing, too, and they're quaking. What's up with these guys? The songs at the end, yeah, we play the same songs. I don't know. But yeah, shout out to 33,977, man. Remember, we started this about a year ago. A little bit more than a year ago, and just super pumped to have you guys here. Yeah. They blocked it due to... Yeah. They blocked us. Yesterday was a great stream, too. Great stream. I'll see if I can get it back up. They probably want me to take something out of it or maybe music. I don't know. We'll see. You should get money. I take on the Quakers for free. For free, man. Everyone. Yesterday? Nah, yesterday. Nah, they probably want us promoting that. Yesterday we probably talked just a little too much about Jesus or something. The weed thing, they didn't care about that. They sent me a message. Hey, post. No, I'm just kidding. Why didn't I take this trade? Because the last 3 trades I had of news, I lost 2 of them. So I'd rather just wait for news to come out here. What's up, Green? How you doing? Shout out to Green.
How you doing?
How you doing? $420 coming in hot. Oh man, that was the day. I used to skip school for that day, chat. Green. Yo, Green. Should I tell him the story about 420 that one day when we were on the deck before school, or just leave that one out? Yeah, maybe we should just leave that one out. 4-hour candle needs a bottom wick to drive up first. The next 4-hour candle, yeah, I would say so. Nightbot, how you doing?
How you doing?
What's up, Sandman? Good to see you here, bro. Real G, Sandman. What's up, brother? Shout out to Sandman. Been pulling up every single day, man. I know you're growing. You have to be growing by default, bro. Like, there's no doubt you're not getting better at trading. There's no doubt you're not getting better just in every area, man. You show up here every day, you get brainwashed, you know? Your brain gets washed a little bit. And we just want to wash it up. Yeah, shout out to Sandman, bro. Anyone who's been here for quite some time, that I just am very confident you have some growth going on in your life. W. Sandman is a real G, just like Z Gamer is. Could you have a look at my trade? Yeah. Where is it? You gotta post it in our Discord so I can take a look at it. There's a channel in there called Charts for Stream. Throw it in there and we'll take a look at it. That guy TK's in the house. TK's in Zoom, TK's in YouTube. He's everywhere. Johnny Boy's in the house too. Okay. John Stewart.
How you doing?
How you doing? It's popping. It's popping. TK's on your screen? No, TK's in your screen. Okay. Hold on one sec, chat. John Stu, how you doing?
you doing, brother?
What's good? What's good?
It's good, Chi. How you doing?
Fantastic.
Nice. Yo, what's good, chat? How you guys doing today? It's good. How's the morning and afternoon? Another day, another opportunity.
Yes, sir.
Yo, Louis G, Z Gamer, what's good? What's up, Scott? Another day to focus on following our plan with patience and discipline. Let's get to it.
How was your morning, John?
Bro, my morning was awesome, dude. Great. Another morning to get 1% better on myself. How was your morning?
Fantastic. Nah, seriously, it was incredible, man. It's even better now that King Man's in the house.
I'm king. Yeah, man, the mornings are the best. Love the mornings.
Let's go, Sam, man. Big W, bro. So happy to have you here, man, and proud of you, dude.
Yo, what's up, Sandman? What's good, Yanosh?
All right, little man. See you later, right?
What's up, Susanna?
Yeah. Oh, big birds. Off to your mama.
Yeah, got some news today at 8:30.
Peace, G.
Waiting on that.
Later. Today's Yanosha's birthday? Really?
Happy birthday.
Happy B-Day, Yanosh. You just not gonna tell us? Happy birthday, bro.
Oh,
How old are you, if you don't mind asking? Or how young are you, should I say?
hey, Yanosh. April birthdays are for the legends. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, April.
April showers.
Big birthday shout out. 28. All
Bring May
right, big
flowers.
W, Yanosh. It really is his birthday. Yeah, happy birthday, Yanosh.
Yeah, happy birthday, dude.
W. Let's go. Yanosh, a real one. Yanosh, when Yanosh got here, I don't know, for some reason it always stands out to me.
Unique name.
Yeah. I don't know. It's like a nostalgic feeling, you know? Like, I always remember when he came by. When he first arrived here at the TTE live stream. Was my birthday April 6th? No, that was John's birthday. 6th of April. John's birthday. John just turned 19. Holy.
Sir. Blessed.
Oh, nice. Lights, fire. What's good? What's good? Beautiful. W. Oh, same day. Oh, nice. Same day.
Oh, dope. Let's
I
go.
think we had somebody else too with that birthday, right?
I think either that or the day after or something.
Here comes 8:20. Will we push through now? We may push through here, chat. We should have volume about to dump in right here.
That 1 hour Wakefield is pretty good. I was too late on it.
Yeah, I don't want to take it ahead of news.
And we bleeding.
8:20 later.
I sent you the trade too. I gave it a try on the 30-minute.
Oh yeah, that's right. What happened there? You got activated,
30.
and then
Yeah, 30 minutes stopped me and right back down. We go. It happens.
where'd you keep your stop?
Previous 30.
Yeah.
It took my order and dipped. Maybe should have waited on the 1 hour. I don't know.
Yeah.
Thought it was a good trade.
But 1 hour now, you're cutting it close to the news. So 7:15, 7:30, not bad. Whatever it was. Oh, oh, we're calling Sam. Is Sam here?
Oi.
I talked to Sam literally the last couple days actually. Nice job, Christopher. W.
Oh, yes, sir. OGH. I mean, every trade I take, you know, I understand there's a random outcome to it. I mean, I'm just focused on taking one good trade and then repeating that. That's all I can do.
Yep.
Good loss.
I'm in buys from 23.31. Right here. 31. Nice. From right here. Yeah, that was a good buy. That's a goodbye. So 4 hour candles coming back down here now.
What's up, Wags? Good to see you too, brother. Yeah, OGH, exactly, bro. Exactly. Long term, right? What can we do that's gonna help us long term, right? Screw short term. We want to build the habits that are gonna help us long term.
All right, 7 minutes here. See where we go. Yeah, no, that was a good shot. Anything before, even right here, there could have been a potential fake out, but it looks like it happened up here. 30-minute, you took it off of this candle?
Wait, let me see.
The middle one, right?
Screen 1 sec.
The previous 30-minute candle?
Sir, the one at 7:30.
Yeah, no, it worked out. Stop was tight.
Yeah, facts.
Tight stop. Maybe use this
I
next
thought it was
time.
a fire trade.
Right here.
Yeah, no. Idea was right.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the idea is there because you could expect the 4 hour to pull back. The daily's also very bearish here too today. So definitely looking for sells here today.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there was a 15 celery there too. Nice. Yes, good push down. Got hit at break even. Yeah, all goody. Who says pump? Who says dump? Hey. Where we going? Where we going? Yeah, you got real clean sells here on gold today. You got this range was decent, but then you got, you know, this range, you got this wick fill, you got this clean range over here. Let's see what that looks like on the daily. Yeah, that would be the daily coming down, filling that wick too. Got room today.
Definitely.
PPI. Yeah. 5 minutes. So one more 5-minute candle, and then we will be off to the news. Casino time. Let's go, Arnie.
Casino time. What up, Alariza?
So that was your 820 push. That 5-minute candle. So chat, for those of you guys who don't know about volume times, 820 is a volume time where you will get a decent push in the market. Like this went for about 21 pips, like 20 pips. Quick push there at 820. You notice how the bulk of that move happened in the last 5 minutes. So keep an eye on that, right? That's the commodity exchange open. That was something that we never knew about until like 2 years ago. But that's where you're going to get a lot of volume to come in. And then obviously the session opens and all that good stuff. Did I take a trade yesterday? I did. Yeah, I took this right here off the 15-minute. There's 15 onion right there. Yeah, closed partials right here.
Yeah, good trade.
Yeah, I had tight stops too. So I got like a 2R there. Yeah, it dropped. And then it dropped again over here. Dropped twice pretty good yesterday. This buy that we were thinking about taking here off the 30-minute, that actually worked out really well. And it made total sense too, because the 4 hours right at support, everything was rejecting. 1 hour was coming down. Although the 1 hour and the 4 hour were both heavily bearish, the 30-minute and the 15 gave you that quick idea for price to move up, right? Because we were looking for a move up anyway, because this was the start to the 4 hour candle right here, and it really gave us no wick at all, no top wick, right? So we were actually expecting that 4 hour to give a top wick, and you just had to wait on resistance, right? So the buy was there, but you were going against some higher time frames. Again, you could make sense of it, so I do think it was a pretty good trade. But I was just waiting for that resistance there, right? And once we got that, then that's all we really needed, right? That was going to be our 4 hour top wick.
Yep. And you didn't get that till after the session.
Yeah, that was at
right? Like
10,
I mean
10:45. That was at 11 a.m.
So you gotta be patient for your move, y'all. Got to.
Full margin, 1 minute. Here we go.
What are we thinking? Juicers, bleeders? Yo, who's trading news chat?
$250 lots, please. Yo, let's go. Who are you, Alex G? Dude, be dropping like 900 lots. No stop loss, full margin, question mark, question mark, question mark. Question mark. Question mark.
Damn.
Question mark. Question mark. What a question, man.
Good question.
It is tempting. It does sound tempting. It really does.
Sounds like, hey, screw it.
Set and forget. You go first. You first.
I love the question marks.
Those Blu-ray glasses work? Yeah, they do work. I like these ones better. These ones work better. See how they're much darker too? But these ones do the job too. I usually wear these, but when I wear these, I can't tell like I can't see colors as good. All right, here's the news. Here we go. Down first, up, down, then up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, up.
Don't go any higher, man.
Will we break the 4 hour high here? All right, need a new account. Oh,
Oh, damn. Yeah, gold. That's what I thought.
This thing's throwing you around like a orca whale. Like you're in this trade right now, you feeling like a seal getting thrown all over the place.
That's why we don't trade news.
It's like an alligator doing the like, what is it called? The roll, man. Yeah, let's see how
Like a
everything
bouncy
came
ball.
out. Oh,
I'm down, gold.
them orcas don't play, bro. They be teasing the food, man. They be injuring that thing and then just letting their kids play around with it. Just throw this thing around for a little bit. Yeah, green numbers. Gold should begin to move down here. 15-minute, 1 hour still bearish. 4 hour never broke the highs. Yeah, we should be good to stay down. Stay down, boy.
Yeah,
Stay down.
Yeah.
Problem is we may get a bullish 4 hour close, right? But I think a closure above or below this level here is pretty important. Damn, who's on the 1 minute getting rich? Actually, 1 minute today, you're getting tossed. You're getting tossed on that 1 minute today. Full TDO. Stop it. Oh, damn. It's like, he could catch you like stuttering. I need a new account. Damn. Lots of new accounts here.
Damn.
Be sure to check out Top One Trader today. Oh man, that used to be me, chat. Right now I'd be on my Forex funds or FTMO putting my card number in for a new 100K account.
This is the one.
Trying to get it fully ready to go before 9 a.m. closure. Exclamation point top one. Oh man. No lie. We had good news. Why should gold go down? Because the news is more related to the dollar, right? So if this is gold versus the dollar, then that means there's good news for the dollar. So the dollar should move up and gold should move down off of that, right? So that's kind of where those green numbers come in. And then look at this, NASDAQ up. Should we broke the 4 hour highs? Yeah, we did. Yeah, it's a big, remember we talked about this 4 hour candle? No bottom wick in our breakdown this morning, and how this could be a fake out. And now that you're beginning to break those highs, that looks to me like price is ready to rumble. Funded accounts are good or not, they have pros and cons, like everything. There's pros and cons to funded accounts. There's pros and cons to funding your own account. There's pros and cons to everything.
Facts.
I remember I bought a challenge on the day during New York. Within 15 minutes, it was blown. Yeah, how many of you guys ever bought a challenge in the morning? Blew it by the end of the session. I've done that. I've done it. I've done it. Yeah, so we really want to see now, hey, will this candle close above the range here, right? If it does, then you may be looking to come up and clean this whole range a little bit later. So we'll see what happens. We'll see.
Hold you back up, man. Sheesh.
Unemployment claims came out too. Yeah, look at that. Boom. I think the news was mixed between that and unemployment claims. Yeah. Green numbers on unemployment, red numbers on PPI. Blown the same day? Yep. Yeah, how many guys ever blew 2 accounts in one day? How you doing?
I remember, Nick. I remember that.
You remember that, right? I remember I told John, I'm like, yeah. I blew the account, bro. How many times did I tell you, yo, I blew the account early on?
Dude, can't even count, bro. Yeah, home from school, be like, yo, what up, Nick? How's trade today? Account blown, 2 accounts blown. I was like, oh, damn.
Mixed news, now it's wicking up and down. Yeah, it's wicking time. Definitely blew 2 and bought a 3rd. Yeah, because after you, like, it's not like you can't buy another one right away. I mean, that's like a must. You're sitting there thinking, should I get the 100K or maybe I should just do the 50 this time? But, you know, the ego won't let you do the 50. I'm like, no, I need 100K to get me out of this, out of the mud here. I blow my grandma's car. That's what's up.
Wow.
Gold up. Gold was down, but now it's up. Hey, thank you, Winnie. Grandma gonna hit you like, every time, Sonny, you do this to my car. You know I don't know how to check the oil or any of that. Yeah, no way. You can't go below 100. It's like, am I going to spend 500 right now or should I just spend 250? I need the 100. Very happy I closed my sales. I'm very happy for you as well.
Smart, man. Ian's chilling. All today, dude.
Call it. Hey, let's check this 4-hour here. Ooh, just came up to it. I thought we might have nipped it there. This here 4-hour high right here. This guy right there. Or is it the next one? Yeah, that's it.
Most likely get a close bullish too, so on that 4-hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, Muhammad? Isn't it best to just stay out? Stick to that plan? Feels good. Arnie, you're funny. What am I doing later? I'm doing nothing. Gonna be chilling. Maybe find something to do. I don't know. Let's see. 20 minutes for this 4-hour closure. Yes, sir, Juan. Patience is everything, bro. I found that in the last 3 years of my trading that patience and discipline is everything. It goes hand in hand to following your plan. Because what good is a plan, right? If you're not going to be patient or disciplined to it, right? So you got to be willing to be disciplined to not take something and disciplined to take something, right? Like if it's there, if your edge is there, you got to take it. If it's not, then you got to be disciplined and stay out. If there's, there's 1.1K people here. If there's any like new beginners here, I just want to tell you how important a trading plan is. It's crucial, and it's crucial to your success. Like, you need it in trading to be successful. You need to know what you're doing. It brings, because trading here, we're trading our money, right? So there could be a lot of emotions here in the markets. So you want to eliminate your emotions when you're at the charts. And what a plan does is it brings logic. And when there's logic, there's no emotion, right? Because you're just following logic. And a plan is protecting yourself from yourself, literally at the same point, right? Trust me, y'all. There's been plenty of times where I've taken trades, taken 2 losses. Maybe my risk limit was like, I don't know, let's just, for example, 200. I went over 200. There's been plenty of times I wanted to jump back in, but my plan saved me, right, from over trading, over risking. So it's really there to bring logic and remove emotions, and to protect yourself from yourself, or protect you from yourself. And that's what you need to focus on every day, right? You don't need to focus on the money, trading the money. You just need to focus on trading your plan, right? Your technical system, your edge, and everything will be good, right? In the long term, maybe in the short term, you might lose a trade in a day, but take that same trade, right, over and over again, and in the long term, you're gonna be a winner. And prove it to yourself, right? Prove it to yourself.
Yeah. Yep. Get your reps in.
Yeah.
You want to have a good idea on what you're doing. You're obviously not going to know everything. You're never going to be a perfect trader, but before you really deploy cash, liquid into the market, you want to know what you're doing to a certain extent, right? Most traders, actually, probably like 80% of traders, they have no idea what they're doing, right? And everyone looks like they know what they're doing, but if you look at the back end of the data collected by the brokers, it doesn't say that everyone's winning. Right, but it always looks like that. But you really got to have that system like John was talking about. Something concrete. Some traders, they pull up and they just try and, hey, where could I make money? Where could I execute on a push? And maybe that works, but I don't know. I've always thought just having a system and really having something concrete to show up and look for every day is going to be the best long term.
Yeah, 1000%.
And everyone's system is going to be different. I don't think any 2 traders can trade exactly the same. I really don't. I don't
think so either.
Right? As much as me and John trade the same, John took a trade earlier today. I did not. Right? So if we traded identical, then we would have both taken that trade. But although we have the same system, same ideas for the most part, you're never going to be exactly like some other trader, right? You're always going to have to go through that journey of your own experience, developing your own intuition, and really putting your stamp of approval on your system. So Joe, don't be like, I got to be exactly like this guy and do exactly what he does. It's okay to test. It's okay to, experiment. I mean, that's how you're going to get better here.
Yeah, facts. Facts. Yeah, man, because everyone's gonna see things different, like with their own brain, their own mind. You're gonna see things different than someone else, right? So just look at the successful people, take what you can from them that's gonna work best for you, and run with it.
Yeah. What's up, Cat Studios? Good morning or good afternoon probably for you. How you doing, my friend?
Cat Studios.
I just blew my account. GG. Hey, what up, Justin? What's good, Justin? Do I have a written plan? I don't have a written plan anymore. No. Nope. I used to have a written plan that was all written down nicely. Now I just have a playbook, and I continue to hone in on that playbook day by day, day by day, day by day, day by day. Oh, the Tubi movie's coming, Spence. Only if you're in it. Spence is gonna play
Raj
me.
has a Raja has a good quote, and that's if the markets do the same thing every day, then why shouldn't we, right? So just bring the same energy to the table every single day, right? Adapt to market conditions, and it'll be good.
Yep. At what point did I stop over trading? I stopped over trading once I just, seen how rotten the fruit of over trading really is. It didn't get me anywhere, right? So you can only trial and error with something for so long to eventually say, you know what, this doesn't work, right? And I tell you guys a lot, if you're coming from a sales background or a business background, or you're a hustler, you're very go, like you got to kind of learn how to tame that down here in the markets, because this isn't, hey, just like sales, where it's like the more sales you make, the more commission you make, the more money you make overall, right? Where, okay, that's going to be great. That's not how it works in trading. You want to take the best shots at trading. So you're basically going for high ticket, you know what I mean? You only need one good sale a month or a week or whatever. So you want to like tame that ambition back a little bit and harness it a little bit differently to work for you in the markets, where if you're too like trade, eventually, it's like being at the casino and not stopping. Eventually they're going to take the money. So once you begin to realize that, and then you hear me say that, and then you go check your results of over trading and logically take a look with an unbiased opinion and say, damn, you know what? Look at my P&L. When I overtrade, I really do blow it. And then once you realize that that's the outcome of overtrading, that's when you'll develop that responsibility to not overtrade anymore. You just gotta look at it for what it is.
Yeah.
It sucks, man. I remember overtrading like crazy, trying to win trades, trying to win accounts, trying to get back losses, trying to make this quick buck. I mean, it's all like a full-time job.
Yeah, man, it's painful in a way. Like, and the more you go through it, the more you go through the pain, like the more you'll kind of learn. Like you don't want to do that, right? Because you know what the end result is, so it'll sharpen you up a little bit.
Yeah, and then Raja said something that just hit me, and he's like, "Yo, you want to change your trading this year? Just focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it." And I was taking like 10 trades a day at that point, and it took a lot for me to just cold turkey that, you know what I mean? But I knew that if I wanted to provide the life for my family that I had in my mind, then I was going to have to stop over trading. I was going to have to develop a more professional approach to this. And just made the change.
Yeah. Because everyone's process is going to be different, right? Like we're all here to become profitable traders, right? So everyone's process is going to be different, and that's going to be up to you, right? The process is up to you for how long you're going to be profitable. So, as soon as you want to repent from your mistakes, and follow your plan, that's when you'll start to see some profits, but it's all up to you. So if you got to write down if you got to write down your plan, your system, do it, right? And follow it. What's going to make you be disciplined to it? Whatever's going to make you be disciplined to it, do it.
Yeah. Yeah, and look, everyone's going to be in a different situation, right? Had I not been about to have my first child, right, 3 years ago, then I don't know if I would have matured up. I don't know if I would have, made the decision at the time I did and really shut that down. So you got to really, understand everyone's going to be in a different situation. But my advice to you is, think about the 2-3 most important people in your life, and what's life going to be like if you don't get it together, right? What's their life going to be like? The people that you provide for, if you don't take responsibility and make those changes. So that was where the motivation and inspiration came for me, was just, if I keep doing what I'm doing, I'm never going to be able to provide the lifestyle I want to for my wife and kids. And that meant a lot to me. That meant everything to me, actually. So at some point I would sit there and just take it easy, right? Just take it easy.
Oh yeah.
Take it easy.
Another thing is like too, to get out of your comfort zone, like, because when you're out of your comfort zone, that's where the growth starts to happen. That's where when you're out of your comfort zone, that's when it forces you to get things done, right? So maybe if you're living comfortably under your mom's roof, maybe go get your own roof, right? And get in that uncomfortable environment that it forces you to get comfortable with it, and forces you to get the job done. Like, you know what I'm saying? So that's an option as well.
Find a way to win, G. Find a way to
Yeah.
win. That's all you got to do. Write that down.
There's a will, there's a way.
And then stare at the doorknob for about 40 minutes, and then you should have an answer. $15-minute moving up here. We got 8 minutes left on the 4-hour close. We came up to the top wick. We did not break that high, but we are very bullish on this current 4-hour candle, as you can see. Yeah, what's good with all the Eagle 4000 bots here? How you doing? No one trades the Eagle 4000 bot here, pal. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy.
Yeah, TK, going broke will definitely motivate you, man. That's for sure.
Yeah, also
Who wants to be broke?
Facts. The window of opportunity was closing for me as well. Right? I was running out of cash. It was now or never, Nick Stewart. You're not that guy, Eagle.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Looking like our 4-hour bias ain't gonna change here.
Seven minutes. Yeah, I'm not sure what's up with the we got the blockage yesterday and now the spamming today. How you doing? Holy energy. Holy $250,000 a week.
Energy.
Sheesh. Now we're thinking big.
Yeah.
If you're gonna think, you might as well think big, man. I remember one quote that changed my life. It said, "Whether you think you can or you can't, either way you're right." I was like, "Whoa."
Ooh, damn, that's
Whoa.
deep.
Yeah, man. I remember I heard that as a young 20-year-old whippersnapper. Said, "Damn, that's real."
Oh, it's whether you think you can or you can't, you're right. That's
Either
fire.
way, you're right. Whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, either way, you're right, and no one else can convince you otherwise. Holy moly.
That's how powerful it is to conquer your mindset, y'all. Let's go.
Young whippersnapper. Plus, when I was over trading, gang, there was a lot of quaking, man. A lot of quaking. I was crying after the sessions, man. My wife's like, "You want to put Alea down today?" Or I'm like, "I'll put her down. I'll put her down because I just want to go lay down in my depression."
Yeah, I'll take.
I blew the plan again. Why can't I just follow my plan? Yo, facts, JR. J4 trades. Very true.
Yeah, facts. Choose your heart. I like that.
Hey, what's up, Johannes? Johannes?
Joannis, what up? CED Banks. I've never used NinjaTrader. I've only used Tradeovate, and I have no problems with them. They've been really good.
NinjaTrader back. Hiya! Sleep off the loss, man. You guys know I be joking about my wife. How's the trading day? Fantastic, honey. Just learning and growing every single day. You ain't got nothing to worry about. We're gonna be rich. Don't worry. I'm locking in.
Hey, man, part of the process. What are you gonna do?
Yes, sir. Gotta love it, man. Everything is the journey. Wherever you think you're going, when you get there, you're gonna be like, "Oh, I'm not there yet." You know, like It's a
Yeah,
figment
facts.
of our imagination, man. The destination is nowhere, right? The journey is the destination.
Facts. The journey is the prize. Yes, sir.
Tristan, don't ask me questions like that, honey.
I told my girl, yo, just don't even talk about trading with me. Don't ask me about it.
Oh, guitar vibes. Yeah, time to chill. Time to chill. Yeah, this
Yo,
candle's
Jamil, facts, bro. It's like, here we go again.
I had the my Forex funds. I had that thing like bookmarked. The payment page. I had my card saved in there and all that. I was making it quick, man. I gotta get that thing ready. Gotta get credentials in. Gotta get emails. Gotta get my charts up before this next 15-minute closure.
Yo.
It's really profitable. It's not a scam. All right, Mick. Sell me on it then. Sell me.
Mick.
Sell me the Eagle 4000 right now. I'm interested. Talk to me. Talk to me. I'm interested, man. What do I got to do to get it? Come up on Zoom. Give us a
Yo,
presentation.
invite him.
How much is it, bro? Just tell me the number.
Tell us why.
Sell me on it.
Dazzle me.
Dazzle me today, man. Dazzle me.
Sprinkle some more with. Sprinkle some more on it.
Sell me this pen. Sell me the Eagle 4000. Right now. I want to buy it. All right, no more Eagle 4000, I guess. Come on, man. You had the stage, brother. Here I'm coming. Imagine he's just typing up a big old paragraph right now. To begin, the Eagle 4000 is what you need. It's what you've been looking for. It's everything you've ever wanted. Give me the brochure, brother.
Yeah.
Show me the plan. If I refer two friends, do I get it for free every month? Holla at me.
I'll let him.
All right, let's
Goldie.
regroup here. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis so we can kind of get things straight here. So, daily time frame is still bearish. It looks like we're having trouble here as of right now to move down. I think we went to flip bearish, but we really got nothing out of that. Just that quick push. The 4-hour time frame is sitting at support, right? Looking like it's going to actually create a support. You don't have a support until this candle is officially a bullish closure right here, right? So we have 54 seconds. I doubt this thing is going to close bearish within the next 54 seconds, but what I don't doubt is that you could probably get your next funded account set up, paid for, and credentials, email, and all that ready to go in the next 54 seconds. So work on that while we do this quick breakdown. We're beginning to print side by side here, right? It's kind of becoming a little bit of a barcode action. You got consolidation on the 1-hour time frame here, so let's mark off this resistance here to the left. So that's what we're tapping into. You also have another resistance right here, right? So this is something we have to be a little weary about. 4-hour is pulling back. We never did break those highs, so that's pretty interesting. But all in all, this is just a nasty range at this point, right? You don't really want to take buys initially on the 4-hour because you got resistance right here. You also need some sort of a 4-hour bottom wick. So if we are switching our idea to look for buys here off this new 4-hour candle, right, expecting this candle to make a bottom wick and then begin to move up, then that's what we're looking for, right? So can we spot a support back down here on like the 15-minute time frame? So You got this. You got this support right here. Let's see if price can come back down there, give us a new support, print something like this, and then we know, okay, now we have a bottom wick on the 4-hour candle, like a legit bottom wick. And once we find a support, that's where we can go ahead and potentially take our buys. All right, coming back up to fill that wick right there. And if you break those highs, then you should get rocking and rolling now on the 4-hour, right? If you begin to break these highs. So that's kind of the idea on the 15-minute time frame. If we can see something along these lines, this could be our trading candle here, right? I'm sorry, this could be our confirmation candle. This could be our trading candle for price to move up and fill the wick. That's it. And then other than that, sells are pretty clean. You know, sells are still clean for the day. We still are bearish on the day. So I'm going to be open for those sells as well. Probably somewhere below these ranges here. Let's see the 15. Yeah, I don't know. I think now that we close bullish here, the cleanest sells are like below 26 there. So we'll see what happens. I'm very curious to see what's going to happen right here and right here, between this zone right here, because we may get a support here, and that's our 4-hour bottom wick to continue up, or we may get that support down there. So let's see where this 15-minute candle leads us, and then we'll kind of take things from there. Yeah, or we could use the Eagle 4000, and then we don't have to think at all anymore.
Yeah.
How about that? How about that? Yeah. Yeah, we might be able to use that.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, do I get like an affiliate link too? Like, and then like I said, like I can get like 2 or 3 people to sign up, and then they can get like 2 or 3 people, and then like they can get like 2 or 3 people, and then they can get like 2 or 3 people, and like it could be the Eagle 4000 all over the place. TK, you in? TK, here's what we're going to do later. You're going to build a list of everyone you know. All right? And we're going to call them, and we're going to ask them if they want to make some extra money. Who wouldn't want to make extra money? All right? We're in there. No, I don't care that you don't want to call your friends. We're calling them anyway. That's how we do it over here, man. If you're going to be in this group, in this team, and a future millionaire, you're going to pick up that phone and start dialing.
You're using that Eagle device.
Mods, I need to know 15 of your closest friends right now. You don't know anyone? Really? Really? You never been to elementary school, grammar school, high school, college? You never played any sports? You never worked at any jobs? Come on, man. You know a lot more people than you think. Call them up. I don't care if it's Billy, who you worked with at the oil change spot for 4.5 days back in 2017. Call him, man.
Give him a call.
You never know where it can go. The pendulum. That's funny. Eagle 5000. Word, if it ain't the Eagle 5000, I don't want it. AB Mike, get your list ready.
Maybe more.
Trading's a lonely game, Jelly J. Lonely game.
If you want to do gold.
O'Reilly's Auto Parts.
Yeah. Team Pack, eh?
Possibly. I put on 70 trades yesterday. Nice. How'd it go?
Sheesh.
How'd it go, Josiah?
Damn. Yo, what up, Paraz?
Yeah, bro, how did that go?
Hopefully it worked out.
Yeah, 4 hour on NAS closed. Strong bullish. Strong bullish here. I don't believe that is a bottom wick. Man, NAS is choppy in this range here. Someone said something about sells. It's so dang choppy over here, but yeah, we may have cleaned the range up for the sells to come back down. You're still pretty bearish on the day too. You didn't really have much of a bottom wick, I think. But yeah, remember we have a theory here, right? This candle already came down and tapped support, right? So will the next one need to come down again? I don't know. You know, this is something I've been sample sizing that I see on the daily and weekly time frames, that typically if you're bearish on the day, you would be looking for sells here, right? But one thing you keep in mind is that this candle already did the work, right? The work was to come back into this range here, and it already did it, right? So is there any like use of this candle here coming back down, right? So I don't have a good read on this yet, but it's something I've been really looking into and continuing to sample size. Seems to be the case a lot. Yeah, it already filled the gap. It already retested the support. Yep.
Let's go, Paraz. Hey, man, I like that. It's like a 2-week evaluation, bro, on your PRs. Nice. That's dope.
Oh, 34K subs. Hey, W chat. WWW. 34K, man. I remember we were celebrating 4K. I remember we were celebrating 400. Yeah, man. Hey, 34K for 34 lots.
Hey.
Oh, it's going to be a big 1,000 now. It's going to be a big 1,000. Shout out to you guys, man. Damn, 34. Had a feeling we would crack 34 today. Yeah, crazy, man. Almost to 50K subs. Like 6 more K, we got 40 and then off to 50. Sheesh.
Get it.
Is this 4 hour candle lying though? That's my question of the day. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be 34 here, and oh, it's gonna be a little while. W. Yeah, what a squad. Hey, who's coming over to the ASFX thing next week? Any of you guys? If you guys are, drop an 8 in the chat. Drop an 8 in the chat if you're coming, hanging out on our field trip next week. It literally reminds me of like a class field trip. Hey, let's go. Yeah, it's gonna be, bro, their chat is gonna be like, what is going on right now? Who are these people? Dubs, let's go. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good time, man. You guys gotta understand perspective, man. Like, there was a point when I was struggling as a trader. I picked up this little delivery job, and I remember I was listening to ASFX podcast during that time, and it was like, that was when I first learned about Austin, and like, to come full circle, like be on the podcast, number one, like that was such like a surreal moment for me to be invited to actually be on the pod. But then to like now develop a even better friendship, and we played golf together, went to lunch together like twice, had cigars together. It's like, damn, you know, so you gotta dream big, my friends. Go after your goals, go after, you know, what you want, because there's no telling where you could end up. We did not have steaks together yet. That's the only thing. No, we did not eat steaks together. That's our next, that's the next level. Yeah, I say the next meetup we do with ASFX/TTE, we do golf. Yeah, we run golf. Hey Nick, is that a celery play if the candle closes above the range? Yeah. Yep. So if you get this candle to close above, we can officially say, hey, we have our 4-hour bottom wick now, right? I would really like to see this candle flip bullish first and leave a little wick right there, because that could be our entry, right? That could be our entry point for us to get in for this buy. So yeah, we closed bullish on the 4-hour. Daily's kind of moving back up here. 1 hour close bullish, 30-minute close bullish. 15 broke the lows and moving back up, staying above this range here. So yeah, we'll see how we close in about 3 minutes or 18 minutes. Yeah, we're doing golf, eh? I'm down. Stephen B's down.
Do it.
I'm down.
Down.
TK, you down? John's down.
Hell yeah, I'm down.
Green, you coming out?
Green, you pulling up, right? Green's down.
Green's down. Green's always down. Down, baby. All right, perfect. Yeah, if we can create a little wick here, that'd be awesome. AB Mike's down like Chinatown. Let's go. Energy's
Hey.
down. Hey, let's run it. Sugar Bear's down.
Sugar Bear.
Sandman's pulling up. Should we go to the golf course and the one that Trump plays on all the time?
Hell yeah. You already know.
We'll go troll Trump real quick, since he likes to do some trolling too.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's
We like
called
to
we
troll.
do a little trolling.
Of course.
Euro? Oh, we need a Euro golf game? Hey. What's the Eagle 4000? That's what I'm still trying to find out. I'm actually interested. They said it's extremely profitable. Can it run the live stream for me? AI Nick.
Hey, if it
4,000?
can, let's get it. Excuse me.
We can get Trump on. Yeah, if we see Trump, we'll ask him to shout out TTE. But yo, can you tell everyone to go visit our YouTube channel, timetoeattrading.com? We'll blow up like Nelk.
Hell yeah.
Nelk.
Dude, that's on my bucket list. Golf with Trump and Nick.
Imagine.
Oh, I can imagine.
How do you do it? You do it. Let me get the link. Hold on one sec. Where is that link?
How do you do what?
Sign up for the ASFX deal here. Yeah. So there you go. There's a free trial. So that way you guys don't have to, because I'm only going to be there Tuesday and Wednesday. So just sign up on that link right there. There's a free trial. Sign up for the free trial. That way you guys don't have to. I think normally his subscribers pay like $10 a month or something. TT Trump. Yeah, if you click that link, it should pop up right here. Yeah, so this is going to be it. It's going to be in 4 days from now. Or 5, yeah, 4 days, 22 hours, so 5 days. And yeah, just subscribe. I think you have to, subscribe. I think you have to make an account, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, make a quick account, get the free trial, and then we're going to run it up. They got the countdown going, okay? April 16th. Yeah, I love this. This is so cool.
Nah, his stuff's sick.
Such a yeah. I like the way he does everything. He's got everything very
Hella
professional.
organized.
Yeah. Yeah, it is nine. Yeah, it's $9.99 a month, I guess. But you guys don't have to pay anything. It's just free. Just do the free trial there. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's him, and then he got 3 other traders that trade on the network. This is a whole like TV network. It's pretty sick. Yeah, they got London. It looks like they got New York, London, New York, London. So I guess they have 2 streamers that do. Well, okay, cool. Yeah, it's not bad. Dope. Yeah, pretty neat. Yeah, so just click the link. That's the link right there, and then you guys can sign up, and we'll see you on Tuesday over there.
Last trip.
Clash trip. Yeah, these buys don't quite excite me, to be honest. Yeah. See how the 30-minute closes. I'm in buys, amigo. Hey, good luck. Best of luck.
Look, amigo.
Yeah, you can look for buys. Yeah, yeah. So you have a mixed bias here. You also have mixed news here. The 4-hour did close bullish. The only thing about the 4 hours, we haven't taken out these highs yet, right? So this candle here came right up to the previous candle and did not break the high. So these highs have not been taken out either yet. So, and those highs are like chippy, you know what I mean? On the 30-minute time frame, it's like a little resistance, another resistance, another resistance. So it's a bit chippy up there. Chippy. Technically, if it is the barcode strategy, that means we should sell, right? Barcode calls to sell.
I forgot about that strategy.
Forgot about the barcode strategy. How could you, mate?
How could I? Yo, Ryan, bro, I totally forgot about GJ until you mentioned it. Damn. How was it? How was the GJ 1 hour salary? How am I feeling? Lights fire. I'm feeling amazing, bro. How are you feeling? Yeah, man.
What's a G and what's a J?
Oh, I don't know.
All right, we're gonna take the highs out here or what? All right, first high has been taken out. Second high has been taken out. All right. 30-minute closure here in 10 minutes. You like the elevator music? Yeah, it's fire. It's the theme, right? It's the soundtrack. It's the TTE soundtrack. Relaxing lo-fi beats. I play this music when I trade outside the stream too. When I trade Asian session or later in New York session, I play the music. Makes me feel better. What kind of music do I listen to? I listen to a lot of like Christian music. I don't really listen to music much, to be honest. I really don't. I was listening to these guys though. I really like these guys. House Fires. Lights Fire. Yeah, House Fires, Lights Fire. There you go. Yeah, this one's good. I'll give thanks. Yeah. I like worship music. This music's better than rap? Yeah, I think so too. Rap is I mean, especially today's rap is just really, I don't know. Not the best. Oh, you like House Fires too? Yeah, they're good. Rap, baby, rap. All right, I want to see what the deal is with all this. It's not looking pretty price action right now. Look at this. mumble rap. Yeah, I mean, just go listen to the words. Like some of you guys rap it, but you don't actually know what they're saying. Go look up the lyrics to some of these songs. Your mind will be blown. All right, Perez, later, brother. Hope you have an amazing day, my man. Off to read your new book, W. Which book did you get? Yeah, it's all low vibration, low vibes. There's some good stuff. Most of it though, anything big, anyone big out in the major public eye is compromised. All right, what are we doing here? Later, Praz. Later, bro. Enjoy the book. Do I like Christian rap? Yeah, hell yeah. We play Christian rap all the time on the way out. And on the way in. Get back to the business. Later, Magnus. Have a great day. What are we doing here? 6 minutes. 6 minutes. I don't really like what I see. This area up here is a bit sketchy. Oh, my bad, John.
Nah, you're chilling. That was me. Thanks, chat. Thanks, TK.
Oh, I'm on mute. You were in the chat. Oh my god. 71 cents away, bro. Sheesh. Time to tone it down to them 0.01s and get this back, brother. Crack your knuckles, crack your neck, stretch your shoulders. Time to trade. TTT. Time to trade, bro. Time to trade. Let's see if you can pull it out the hat. You'll be surprised. You'll be shocked at what you do when it's time to go. You guys remember that one time when I literally capped like 5% on my 400K account that one time, that afternoon? Yo, I just went scalping for everything. Play the Punji song? Oh my god, what? Holy. Holy. Yeah, I'm sorry, chat, but this move up from here does not look good to me. I don't know if that looks good to you guys, but this does not look great at all. It does not look good at all.
Yeah, it gets choppy up there.
Yeah, man. Back and crack. Crack your crumble cookie open and get ready. It's about to get heavy.
Humble cookie. Oh gosh.
Humble cookie, humble cookie. After taking a winning trade, do you recommend stepping away from the charts if my goal is only one trade a day? Yes. Yes, sir. Yep. If your goal is only one trade a day and you take one trade, bingo. Done.
There you hit your goal.
Done for the day. And I'm really big on that too, because I understand like
Facts.
Trading is a lot more than just the money side, right? When you take a win, you feel good, right? And you ever take a win, but then you end up blowing it and you lose, and then you feel like crap the whole day, right? That's not fun, right? That's not fun. So if you take a good win according to your plan, and you take that win early in the day, just call it, and now you get to live in that like happy-go-lucky feeling all day long, knowing that you were a winner today, and most traders weren't. So I'm really big on taking that one good trade, that one good win, and just calling it. Unless it's like really early in the session, there's going to be more time. But for the most part, yeah, one good trade, and that's all you need.
100%. I'm the same way.
Yeah.
Because that would, like, you came to the charts to look for one good trade, right? And once you get it, you secure your profits. That was the goal. You can leave, right? You can get on with your day.
Any coins? I think you should look into AI. AI coins right now. Anything that has to do with AI. W. Khaled. You're welcome, my friend. Yeah, you know what? You should hit I only know your real name, but I don't want to say your real name if your username's there. Lights Fire, yeah. You should put on that song by I think it's Holvey or whatever. Walk, just walk, 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 walk. Just walk in it, boy. You feeling good? You got that W? You vibing different, you know? You bouncing a little different that day. Got that swagger on you.
You got to bounce in your step, you know?
Unmute. Oh, unmute. My bad, Johnny boy.
What happened? I'm already...
Nah, I just seen the chat.
Oh, okay.
Last week was rough. Had a good W pre-London, but then overtraded. Had to call it a day. Yeah, it's gonna happen. Where is Sam? Oi! Sammy Capital! I think Sam's coming back to the chart soon. Yeah. Yeah, I talked to Sam, but we haven't really talked about the stream too much. We were talking about some other things. I think you guys are right. I think Sam's got a new lady. Woo, 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 woo.
Let's go.
Oi!
Good for Sam.
Sam.
Good for
Sam.
Sam.
Man. Not everything is trading, you know what I mean? Life isn't all trading.
Hell no.
Oi! Yeah, chat. I don't like this. It's too choppy up here for me. You got resistance right here.
4-hour resistance as well.
Yeah. Oi! Sam Riz, and I'm telling you. Sam's got the Riz.
Faraz, take notes.
I dig that, Spence. I dig that. It'd be like that one dude I like to follow. What do you do for a living? I'm a funded trader. He's cooking. That's right. Sam's cooking. Yeah, PLB trading or whatever. Those guys are hilarious, man. Those guys are hysterical. You seen that one I posted where he was blowing on the on the computer at Apple? Yo, why are those guys so funny?
PK. That's funny. Sam cooking his lady some eggs right now.
Sam cooking up some dolphin milk.
Sam's the man, bro.
Sammy Capital. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen here. I'm telling you, this area is a bit sketchy, chat. Look at NAS. Let's take a look. Yeah, a new support above here would be great. Definitely bullish here on NAS. You got a clean range coming up. So for NASDAQ, if you can get like a candle, either the next candle or the following candle to create a support, then I'm down, right? I'm down here for buys. Sam's like, let me tell you about CPI, NFP, FOMC. Pep and a newborn. Oh man, that'd be funny. Stay out the chopper.
$50 funded account.
Me no speak English. Me no speak English.
I don't know, man. 5K account. Fund an X or something.
$50. Yeah, I'm not too sure, to be honest. Price action today doesn't look the greatest. Yeah, not really on the way up. I mean, I wanna take buys, but it's like too choppy here. Too choppy here too. It's undecisive. They're all bullish candles, but they're all wacky candles. Can you trade a funded futures account outside the US? I don't know. I'm not too sure. Maybe somebody in the chat can answer that. Max daily drawdown. To be honest, I don't know where you can get an account for under 50. I would try looking. Oh, I think top one has 40% off, so you might be able to get something for under 50. Yeah, hit exclamation point top one, click that link, and then go to their lowest challenge, apply the 40% off, and then see where that puts you at. Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, it'd be good to learn on nice cheap account like that. TT call it. Yeah, we'll see, man. We're coming back in this zone here now.
If there's a move, it's gonna be later. Again.
930 hasn't really done much. Cheapest is 82 with top one. Oh, nice. Then is that with the 40%? If you get the 40% off now from there, then you should be good. Is top one trustworthy? I would say so. I mean, only God is trustworthy, right? But I would say so. I mean, I like those guys. They're paying out. They're doing really well. They made their like shift in a very nice manner, and yeah, they got everyone paid out. There was $100,000 plus worth of payouts, and they took care of everybody. So they're pretty trustworthy to me. Plus, I got their phone number, both of them, both the owners. I got them on speed dial.
Yep, I met both of them as well. They're both great dudes. Have great mindsets as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, they paying out while other firms, you know, some chaos. So
yeah, even the big firms, right? They're like, yeah, sorry, temporary pause, bye, gone.
thanks. The top one's paying out, so that has something to say.
Call back later. Please remain on the line.
Our operations are paused.
Chic.
That's what my Forex fund said too.
Yep. Call Clay up, tell him, bring me my money. Word. I'm working on that rule too, man. I'm really, every meeting I go to with them, I talk to them about that that market execution rule that they have. They really got to do something with that. What platform does Top One use? Top One uses C-Trader, MT5. They use Match Trade and Trade Locker. They're bringing on Trade Locker, yeah. Top One is cool. I like when you guys send me their they write you like a handwritten letter when you buy a challenge. I like that. My funded FX didn't pay me? Damn. Alright, let's see if we can get a support on NAS back above this range here. Joey Stu check in the meantime. Joe Stu, how you doing, buddy? I see you over there.
Joey Stu. Joey Stu check.
I see you over there. Yeah. We're gonna have a problem here. We might have a problem here, chat. Yo. The market execution rule that they have is they want you to put a stop loss on every trade before you enter. Yeah. I don't like that rule. Joey Stu, how you doing? Oh, you were at Crumble? Hey, did you? Okay, okay.
Yeah. That's funny. Bro, Nick, that video you sent me last night was hilarious. Yeah.
Worst rule ever. I know, bro. Trust me, I agree. I want to do a little market execution, man. Joey Stu's he's a mod over at Crumble. NG David, yeah, we're practicing patience here today. Anybody take positions? I mean, shout out to you guys that took some positions here today. There was really, I mean, outside of maybe this move right here, that's about it off the 1 hour. But other than that, just very choppy in this overall range here for me. Yeah, I mean, the move was there off the 1 hour. It was okay. But, yeah. It was an okay move. It was an okay move.
It was that.
Took a buy, hit B, perfect. No positions, no positions. That's fine. Me neither. Got to exercise that discipline muscle here so far.
Hey, yeah, man. No trade day is part of the game.
We used to talk a lot about the discipline muscle. You know, you got to exercise it. Sometimes it's painful too to exercise that discipline muscle because you want to get in, you want to take trades. You're sitting at your desk, right? You're here. It's time to trade, you know. But like, if the opportunities don't present themselves that you're looking for, there's really nothing you could do besides exercise that muscle, you know. And as you continue to exercise that discipline muscle, it'll continue to get stronger.
Hell yeah. Yeah, man, discipline's everything. I was telling chat before. Discipline's everything.
Mm-hmm.
Huge part, right, Nick, to, you know, your success and everything. And through your journey, discipline was key.
Yes, sir.
As well as patience.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the best move of the day here was right here. The celery play right there. Other than that, New York has not been the greatest. Not been the greatest movement. But this right here was in London session. I think that was the best move or idea here or presented here today. $30-minute back down. Here's the bottom wick. Would you look at that?
Yeah, see, tap that target. See how price action's gonna repeat itself. Like, it's gonna do what it's gonna do to the left side, right? So hit that resistance, tapped it, and went right back down. Yeah, man. I mean, the markets are gonna repeat the same cycles over and over again, right? You just gotta be aware of what cycle it is, right? It's either gonna be consolidation, the continuation, or the pullback. You know, it's just like identifying trends. And yeah, you really do have to look left to get right. Price action will repeat itself over and over. Whatever's to the left-hand side, it will, you know, most likely duplicate it, right? Copy it. So, yeah. Nice, Kelvin. You took that 1 hour salary. Nice. 44 pips. Let's go. Energy in the chat. Let's get energy.
Yeah, actually, I think there was one other move now that I'm thinking about it, which was 8 a.m., right? This move right here, that was decent
Sells.
too. But that was
The
like
1 hour
right before,
sells.
yeah, right before news and everything. Oh, turning back around now.
Yeah, that was actually a really good move, to be honest.
Struggling doctor with no patience.
I love to hear that energy. Let's go.
Does Magic Keys work with C Trader? To be honest, I don't know. I think Magic Keys was a MT4, MT5 bot, right? I got my Magic Keys, man. I missed that thing.
That was so last year.
Oh, Magic Keys can work with C Trader. Dope. Yeah, MT5, man. Honestly, C Trader, from what I hear, is way better than MT5. So I don't think anyone even gives a rip about MT5 anymore. I can't believe pretty much that was probably holding people back from getting like new updated versions. So them dipping off actually probably worked out best for everyone. Yeah, I think from the looks of it, C Trader to me looks way better than MetaTrader. Way better. MT5 is like old school. Trade Locker's good. Yeah, I'll be using Trade Locker soon. MT4. I'm gonna try out Trade Locker when once Top One rolls it out, which I think is next week. Offers down to 45. Oh, what's that for? Is that for my Magic Keys, right? Nah, I gotta keep that, man. I'm gonna pass that down, generation to generation. Gonna give that to Maverick one day. You see this? This is Lord Son.
Maverick gonna be a stud.
MT3 was goated? Damn, I've never... Was there actually such a thing? I don't ever recall.
I never heard of that. Probably cap.
Looks like Windows 96. For real. Trade Locker bugs out once every 2 hours. Sheesh. Yeah, MetaTrader still has like no Mac. Like that was the worst, man. You guys remember when I was streaming on my Mac? You had to get like parallels and do all this crazy stuff just to trade MT5 like on a Mac computer. It was kind of ridiculous. Match trades mid. Yeah, I don't hear the greatest things about Match, and I really don't hear good things about DX trade, I think it was.
Trade Locker's the best. Seems like
MT1.
not C Trader.
MT1. Sheesh.
Damn, yeah, everyone's saying DX is terrible.
Eagle 4000 is the best. I still trying to get my hands on it, but I don't know. Never heard back from the salesman. Yeah, Dean, me neither, man. I don't know what's the deal with them. MT5 acting weird. All right, I'm looking at the 15 here on NASDAQ too. 1 hour, everything's closing here in just a few minutes. This camera right here, this is just a Logitech Brio. Yeah, I have a new camera coming in. Fishy candles. Fishy. Yeah, word on the street is C Trader's like your best bet right now. Yeah, barking about to be barking here in 9 minutes. That's right. Yeah, very choppy on the way up here. Read about the resurrection of Lazarus this morning. Nice. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
All
yeah.
things are possible through Christ.
Crazy story,
Gives me
right?
strength.
Why is there no C Trader for New? I don't know. They don't want to operate in the U.S. Seems like. I'm hungry. I don't know why I'm so hungry this morning. TTE.
You get the Maggies.
Yes, sir, Arnie.
Peace, Arnie.
You're out. I'm hungry for pips. Work. Hungry. Yeah, it could be AB Mike for sure. For sure. We'll see. We got barking here in 5 minutes too, so that may bark things back down a little bit as well. Trying to see if we can get a confirmation here. We got no bottom wick on this 15, so we'll see. You don't eat when you feel hungry? Yeah, I don't. I won't be eating for about 10 hours.
Man, I love it.
TK's
I love
jaw
feeling
just
hungry.
dropped.
TK's eating right now.
TK like, what he said? I know you too good, bro. Green too. Green's having a power
TK,
breakfast right now.
TK, I just love feeling hungry, man. You
I'm
don't?
telling you, that's why it's always time to eat, because we never eat. So it's just TT.
Right.
It's always time to eat. Yeah, man, I got like 10 hours before I eat. 9 hours.
And TK.
1 hour struggling here. Damn, Green. Second meal? It's not even 10 a.m., bro. Give that gut a break,
Yo, Green.
man.
Green, it's bulking season, right?
It's always bulking season for Green. Give that gut a break, man. Oh, 5 minute giving some confirmations to go down. What does no bottom wick mean? No bottom wick doesn't mean anything besides the fact that most candles, like 85% of them, have top and bottom wicks. So when a candle doesn't have a bottom wick, there's about an 85% chance it will come down to create one. So being that it doesn't have one currently, there's a chance that it'll come down. Or what'll happen is the candle to follow it will come and give it a bottom wick too. You'll see that happen as well. Kind of like right here. This candle had no bottom wick. Next candle came down. Sometimes. More for me, Green? You funny. More breakfast for Green and TK.
Yo, TK and Green, what's for breakfast? Talk to me.
Yo, what's for breakfast here, boys? What's for breakfast today?
Yeah, what'd you guys eat? Oatmeal?
He ate goat meal.
Alright.
Because he's that guy. TK don't eat
Facts.
oatmeal, he eats goat meal.
I never had oatmeal, TK.
Never had oatmeal. Yeah, so if what I'm looking for now is, being that we are pretty much rejecting, right? I mean, that's what it looks like to me. If you get a bearish close now, right, then this may decide to head back down here. Get a bearish closure, and then the next candles may begin to follow suit. You've got this range here. If you're struggling up here, you may want to come down, right, back down into this range towards like 23.35. So if I can get this as a confirmation, then I'm gonna probably look to have a sell on the next candle there. But right now we don't have that confirmation because we're closing bullish here in 51 seconds. Hey, 6 eggs and a banana. That actually sounds good. Sounds good.
Facts. Let's go, BuzzBlab.
Oh yeah, you know BuzzBlab eating breakfast.
Hell yeah. Bacon bagel, Green. Wow, it sounds really good.
Steak and eggs.
Yo, Green, you put cream cheese on that bagel? You gotta.
You get that McGriddle. How you doing?
A
Will we get a
BTC.
bottom wick? Will we get a bottom wick? Oh. Can we hit him with the, would you look, what, would you look at it? Maybe we can, maybe we can't. 2 seconds. No bottom wick. Yeah, you may see the next candle just drive down here. So once we get a bearish confirmation, that's where I'm going to look to potentially have a sell. Because we are rejecting this area pretty heavy here. Yeah, let's redraw here. So you got a resistance here. You also have resistance here, right? So this is kind of like the confusion area. But if you do get a bearish candle closure, you should have no problem making your way down right here. 70 pip move coming down. That's what I'm going to look to see if we can take advantage of. But we need a candle to close because this candle could make a low and then flip up and continue driving right now. So really need to see a 15 or a 30 closure. and then go from there. Three eggs, 2 bread slices, 30 grams of dry fruit. Hey, yo. WNBC.
Yo, AB Mike, that sounds really good.
That sounds fire. 30 grams of dry fruit. $30-minute on NASDAQ, not looking too bad here. See if we break that 1 hour low. Yeah, not too bad if we respect this low here. Oh, let me go on the other chart.
Yeah, facts, AB Mike. To be disciplined, and one thing you gotta be disciplined in everything. Your routine definitely affects your trade, and I really believe in that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's see if we respect that low. If we don't take that low out and we break the high, there may be a possibility for price to remain moving upward here. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the NASDAQ. Yeah, as long as we respect it, we should be good to roll. Yeah. Potential buys if we break the high here for me. And then gold, yeah, gold just still moving up here. So no sells just yet for gold. Or no buys really either.
Let's go, AB Mike. That's what I like to hear, bro.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, potential 30-minute celery play here on the NASDAQ. Yeah, so the idea here is you're pretty clean up until I would say probably like right around these ranges here.
Yeah, action with the NASDAQ.
Yeah, that's where I would look to, depending on how much this is. This decent enough? About 50 points here. So yeah, I think partials would be good right here for me, and then full target is going to be up there. Up at those highs. US 30 bleeding. US 30. Where's US 30? Yeah, US 30 really sold off yesterday, man. Look at that. Heavy candle here on the Dow. FTMO.
Yeah, NAS looks good. That 4 hour.
Yeah, 4 hour looks good too. We didn't really have much of a bottom wick, so I think we're coming down now to make that bottom wick, and then should be off to the races. Uh-oh, FTMO holding you up, TK? What's the hold up? Stops on NAS are going to be like right by this white line here, a little bit below the lows. That's really the only logical stop we have. Other than that, your nearest stop at this point is way down here, and we can't use that. You can keep stops back in the range if you like, but I think if you break that low, it's probably gonna cruise down here. So working on my verification. Oh, let's go TK. More TTE members getting funded, man. It's been a big month for TTE as well over the last 30 days. A lot of you guys have really made strides in your trading. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Right, we're not here to tell you exactly how to trade, right? We're just here to show you our way of trading, and then maybe you could benefit off that and kind of get your own spin off of the way I do it. Remember, no one's going to be exactly the same, right? So even if we trade the exact same system, look for trades during the exact same session, there's still going to be certain times where like things aren't going to make sense to me that may make sense to you, or vice versa. So yeah, big W, man. Lots. If you guys have passed your funded challenges or you're making some heavy moves, we want to celebrate you, man. We want to congratulate you. So post it in the prop fund section on the Discord, or put it in like the traders chat room or something like that. All right, we took these lows out, so I'm gonna delete this this order here. So delete that, and then Goldie almost ready. I think she's almost ready, chat. Not yet though. 30 close in 20 minutes, 15 close in 6 minutes. Later, Buzz Blab. Have a great day, my man.
Peace, Buzz Blab.
We want to be proud of you. Yes. We want to celebrate you guys, man. We want to recognize you guys for your accomplishments. Maybe bring some of you guys up on the Zoom and all that. We haven't done a Zoom special guest in a while.
Yeah, weird. Maybe tomorrow or this week.
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe today. Maybe tomorrow. I'm deleting my buys there on NAS for now. And we'll revisit because we already took out those lows there. Zoom party, yeah, I'm down. If all the mods want to come up on Zoom, that'd be dope.
Yeah, right. I've only met a couple of y'all.
Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday, right? Yeah, maybe we'll do a mod Zoom tomorrow. There's gonna be a lot of quaking in the chat. The mods ain't there. The Mazdas. How do you chart gold on Oanda and then trade futures? Yeah, with a different price. I just settled it in my own brain that I'm gonna chart up Oanda and just take my trades on on the futures broker, and that's very similar to what I did on MT5. I would always pay attention to Oanda over MT5, so I just kind of just settled it in my mind. I think you should just settle it in your mind on one or the other, and say, hey, I'm either gonna chart up Oanda and take all the trades on my futures account, or I'm just gonna chart up the futures account and trade the futures account. So yeah, I think Oanda has a little bit better price action look to it, so that's why I will just chart it up and not really pay much attention to the other one outside of like execution. I don't think there's really a right or wrong way.
Yeah, we also been trading the Oanda chart for the last 3-5 years, so all our data's on there as well, so just train on that one.
Yeah, no gaps, no silly candles. Yo, sniping quick. I remember AV Mike said, I can't wait to snipe my first guy. Snipe him from the Zoom chat. Oh, we're back to our original song here. That's what we started with. Why don't we get some guys from Zoom again? Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, we'll have a little Zoom party here tomorrow. Yeah. The only time I go to the futures chart is to lay out my trade. So I'll come here and then just lay the trade out. Let's say I'm gonna take a sell. Boom, 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 and then set it up. And then I'll probably I like to just keep watching it on Oanda too. But yeah, whatever the markup is on Oanda, I'll typically just jump over here when I'm ready to place my order and do it like that. I don't think there's a right or wrong. I just think it has to be made up, right, in your brain on what it is you're gonna do, and then just stay consistent with that. Oh, here we go. Yeah, big level right here. It's still about the same. Yeah, the numbers are just off. Yeah, sometimes it'll look a little bit different too. So I'm just trying to pay attention to Oanda over the other ones. Just trying to keep it consistent. Let's see how we close here. If we close below, I just want to see a top wick, and then I'm gonna take a sell here. Yeah, chat, gonna have a sell stop. Sell stop on gold. Break of the lows. Can we finally get the push? Let's see what we got here. So in terms of the management, you got this wick to fill, which is like 45 pips away. You got about a break-even point, like 26 pips away. So that's not too bad. Yeah, looks good. If we can reject off of here and begin to head down to fill that wick, that's kind of the idea here. Yeah, looks good. Should be activated here. Yeah, I think I got activated, chat. So got activated in cells. Stops are up here. TP is going to be right around this. I would say partials right around here, and then full TP down here. Damn, I didn't open it up on my other chart where I can take partials. So
nice driving.
all right, I'm going to go break even on this trade here, chat. Break even. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Going to close some partials right here. Bam, wick fill. Actually, I'm closing my full trade right there. I'm out. Oh,
good stuff.
did we close? There we go. Done.
Bro.
Done. That's the day.
That was less than like 15 seconds.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice.
3 hours for 3 seconds. And that's the trade. If I had MT5, I would have just closed partials there, but you know, I'm still struggling with that, so there it is. Done. So what do we do here today, chat? What do we do? We waited patiently for our hunt, right? We just wanted to wait for our position to get there. Once it got there, execute without hesitation, and you reap a good reward from it. W.
Good trade, W. Yeah, it's gonna do it for me today, Nick.
What you got going on today, Johnny boy?
Got going on today, Nick?
Great trade, chat.
Yeah, I'm about to be chilling.
Great trade. Waited on that all day long, right? We wanted to see a pullback. We want to see a pullback. We never got it. 4 hour hesitated in this zone. Buys were extremely sketchy for the most part. Didn't really want to take these buys. Wasn't interested. 30-minute rejected this area a few times. 15-minute finally closed below for us. And there was the quick drive, 10 a.m.
Nice.
Yep.
W.
All right, you know, later.
Peace, bro. Yeah, I'm about to head out of here too, brother.
All right,
I'll give you a call a little bit later.
All right, cool.
All right, bro. Peace. Good trade.
Later.
Peace, chat. Peace.
Yeah, NAS went down here too. So NASDAQ down as well. But Goldie pulled through for us here today. 15-minute again, man. 15-minute again. Still cooking in US 30. Nice. Yeah, man. What do we get there? We got 60 pips in like literally 10 seconds. All right, awesome. I think that is going to be the day. One good trade and on to the next day. Yeah. One good trade and that's it. Any questions, guys? Any questions on this and comments on this or anything? Do you guys understand the reason for that? Simple onion play right out the playbook as well. Good. Yeah, pretty simple. Yeah, we could explain. So pretty much what happened here today is we had a bearish bias on the day, right? So we came to the desk, we had a bearish bias. We also had a 4-hour bearish bias here as well, right? Because this candle closed bear. But then, you know, the next one closed bullish. So it got a little tricky at that point, right? We could have very easily shifted our mindset to buys, but we have to understand the area in which we're in, right? So as you look in this area, it's very choppy up here, right? And if you go down to the 30-minute, it begins to get more choppy, a lot of resistance. And then the 15-minute, look at this, just nasty price action. And, you know, that was cool. If price would have drove all the way up there, that's totally fine. Not my move to take, but we began to see these signs, right? And these notifications of potential rejections. And again, that 4-hour zone is a bit tough, right? Bit tough. Candle really didn't close above. The previous one didn't break the high. This one did it, but didn't really continue pushing up. And once you get that 15 closure, just look at the candles, right? Big candle, decent candle, but very small closure. Decent candle, weak candle, resistance, confirmation candle, and then this is your trading candle. Got clean range coming down. All these candles tried to break above, but they weren't able to. So once we get that sign on the 15-minute, that's our opportunity, right, to enter on the break of the lows there. So, yep, that's it. We waited for that, got it, and that'll do it for us here today. Yeah, man. Cool. So we'll come back tomorrow. Louis G, all good. There'll be another one tomorrow, I'm sure. Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and have some fun and do it all over again and hang out. And tomorrow's Friday, so right, last day of the week. We'll get some of you guys on Zoom tomorrow as well. Yeah, if you guys want to come on Zoom, come pull up, and we'll have a nice little chat. All right. Hi, Buggy. All right, my Lele's up. Time to go to my full-time gig here, ladies and gents. Got to play with the kids. Lele got a new bike yesterday, right? Oh. Yeah, I'm going to holler at you guys. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Enjoy it. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Same time, same place. Glory to the Father. Love you guys. Be blessed.